Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to become a credit repair specialist in 2025. With rising debt levels and economic shifts, this career is booming, offering flexible work and the chance to help people rebuild their financial lives. If you're passionate about finance and problem solving, this could be your perfect path. Let's break it down step by step. First, understand the basics. Credit repair involves analyzing credit reports, disputing errors, and educating clients on improving their scores. Start by educating yourself. Take online courses or certifications from organizations like the Credit and Collection Certification or the National Association of Credit Services Organizations. These will give you the foundational knowledge you need. Next, build essential skills. You'll need strong analytical abilities, attention to detail, and excellent communication to explain complex concepts simply. Familiarize yourself with laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Credit Repair Organizations Act to stay compliant and avoid legal pitfalls. In 2025, expect more emphasis on digital tools, so get comfy with software for credit monitoring and dispute filing. Once you're prepped, gain hands-on experience. Offer services pro bono to friends or family to build a portfolio, or intern with an established credit repair firm. Networking is key. Join industry groups on LinkedIn or attend webinars to connect with pros. Now, for the business side, in 2025, many specialists go solo, so consider starting your own agency. You'll need a business plan, marketing strategy, and tools like CRM software. Remember, building trust is crucial, so focus on ethical practices and client success stories. Finally, stay updated with industry trends, like AI-driven credit analysis, which is set to revolutionize the field. If this excites you, take the first step today. Enroll in a course and start your journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more career tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.